Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we have a ginormous box to unbox with you. We shopped the Bath & Body Works 4th of July clearance sale and got some good stuff. So it came yesterday in this giant heavy box and look,
Lots of stuff.
So we got to show you our Bath & Body Works haul. I was really hoping there would be a packing slip in here and remind me what I bought and how much it cost. There's not, unless it's in the bottom. Let me see.
Lots of stuff, people.
I don't see it in the bottom, but it smells really good. I will go back to my order and post somewhere on the screen because I'm still compensating for the CapCut watermark. Somewhere on the screen, I'll show you how much we paid for each thing. But I'm going to show you my little special pile first. We have the fireworks candle. Oh, we should have brought it in here. Anyway,
It's almost gone. We got it last year.
we got the fireworks candle. It's a red, white, and blue glass, but the candle is white, and it smells amazing. And they don't still have that candle, but they had bath bombs of that same scent. And these were like less than $2 a piece. So I got 3. I should have got more in retrospect.
Cute.
They smell amazing.
Blue and white.
They're very fruity, fresh, amazing. So I got
They smell good.
3 bath bombs of the fireworks scent, and Krista got a jar of something fun.
I got a jar of aromatherapy shower steamers. And which flavor?
These are the eucalyptus spearmint.
Let's open it.
Oh, nice.
They're so strong. Oh
Woo,
my gosh.
that's gonna be good.
Whoa, it's gonna clear your sinuses. So there's what, maybe 6 in here, I think.
I think there's more than that. Oh, maybe. Yeah, 6. I don't know. There's a whole jar full.
A whole jar full of them, and they put them in the corner of the shower, let a little water splurts on them. Oh, it makes the shower smell so nice.
That's going to be a good one.
Yes.
All right, the next thing, I think mine is the same scent. I got eucalyptus spearmint. I'm actually not 100% sure what this is. It's called Lux Bath, but I couldn't find if it's bubble bath, if it's body wash, if it's lotion, what it is. It still doesn't say. I will get my better glasses on and read what it is and put it in here, but I'm going to say it's probably like a bubble bath.
Like maybe a bubble bath shower gel.
Is it soapier? It looks like it's going to be soapy because there's bubbles in the lid. But it smells amazing, just like the shower steamers do.
Yes. Open up your sinuses.
Again, it comes in a different kind of a jar than what you'd expect even a bubble bath to come in, but for sure different than a body wash.
Yeah.
So this has to be a bubble bath. If I'm wrong.
But it looks creamy. Like
yes. And this will be so good.
Oh,
I can't wait. But wait, there's more.
There's more.
We love us some candles in this house.
So let's see what this one is. Cute little boxes. They came well packaged.
Yeah, they did. I think that's the one we got 2 of.
Okay. Let's see. Ooh, strawberry melon.
Yes.
Oh,
And these are the White Barn
Ooh.
candles that Bath & Body Works makes. We did buy 2 of these. They're like
because
$4
White Barn's a little bit better
Oh
quality
my
fragrances
word.
than the Bath and Body Works.
This smells like
brand.
fresh strawberries.
Oh, but you can smell the smelling too. And we have in by my bathtub, I have like these tiered metal candle holders. So I bought these to put on top of it. So if you're taking a bath, you can light it, and it smells the whole bathroom, but be really pretty and decorative at the same time. And I probably will light it in the living room too because this smells good. I love the strawberry and the melon fragrance comes through.
These ones were, I want to say they were even less than $3, less than $4 a piece.
You get them in their clearance.
Yeah, they were 75 or something % off. Plus there was an extra 20% off the whole order besides the sale. So that's why we got 2 of these because like why not? Because that's a heck of a deal.
Okay, open the next one.
Okay, so the next one, the rest of them I can't remember what we ordered. So this is going to be a 3-wick.
They package them.
Oh, I broke the code. Okay, so you undo that and then the ends come off.
Ooh, that jar looks pretty.
Okay, so this is also a White Barn and this is Midnight Blue Citrus.
Ooh.
I'm going to let the nose smell it.
Citrusy and kind of floral at the same
And
time.
my smeller still is out of whack since last summer, but Krista can smell everything and I can't smell this one very good.
Yeah, that's gonna be nice.
Is it as subtle as it seems to me or is it just my nose?
The floral is strong. You're gonna faint for citrus, but it will be a strong. You'll have some nice fragrance in your room.
For me, I can barely smell it, so this will be one
I
that
love the
people can
blue.
enjoy it. Yeah, it's frosted blue.
Frosted blue, so pretty. But so
And this
tough.
one would have been a $27 candle, and we probably paid $5 or $6 for it.
Yeah, we got some really good sales. We stocked up on
Yes.
our sales.
Oh, these will have the no, they don't. Oh, this would have been $18.55. I'll make sure my eyes are telling me the right numbers, but I can tell you the retail and what we paid for it. I will have been doing that by now. You got to pull the tabs out. Is that a different box?
Yep, a different box. This one's glued down.
Okay, use the scissors maybe. Pry it open.
Ooh, this one has a pink jar.
And while she's doing that, the inside of their boxes are their gingerbread or gingham print. That's really cute. Ooh, that's pretty.
Oh, it says champagne toast. Look at the beautiful
That's
pink.
beautiful. And this one's also another White Barn. So White Barn
Ooh.
is the more high end. Oh, I can smell that one.
I'm gonna burn this in my
They're
bathroom.
more expensive of their brands. There's the Bath and Body Works brand candles, which are also still really nice. But the White Barn ones are just a little more refined scent.
Yeah, and sometimes they'll have the same scent in the Bath and Body Works brand and the White Barn,
And you
can smell the difference. And that's why I always pay more to get the White Barn.
Yeah, so we tried hard to. I think all we got was White Barn ones on this
Yeah.
sale.
That's all I buy.
Ooh, look at how pretty this yellow one is.
Oh.
Sugared lemon zest.
Ooh,
To me, that just smells like
lemon.
It smells like lemon peel to me, not in the
Yeah.
good way. No, not in a good
Oh.
way to me.
This will
Yeah,
smell
my nose
nice
is-
burning in the kitchen.
My nose is gonna get better, but right now that's not a smell I can enjoy. But Krista likes it. It's my nose. It's not the smell of it.
Oh, yeah, this will be a nice kitchen fragrance.
That's nice. But see, these ones, I love. I would buy all of these because they smell really good. All of them smell good, but again, my nose is not.
So I think that's everything. We got quite a few candles.
And I can tell you, we got this for under $50.
Yeah.
We got it for with shipping. There was free shipping on
Taxes.
it. All the taxes included was either right 50 on the nose or under.
Yeah.
And we got how many candles?
1, 2, 3,
5
4,
candles
5 candles.
and a mystery lotion for your bath. 3 body bath bombs and a thing of shower steamers. This, you guys, they're still having a sale. This is filming July 6th. I'm gonna try to get it up today, but they're still, as far as I know, still doing the 4th of July sale. Hop on there, see what's left, and get you some, because this was a $10.95 bath bomb, and I paid like $2 for it. And I'm going to go back on, and if they have more of these, I'm going to just get more, because I use them a lot, and I'm looking for these.
Yes, this was a good sale.
Yeah, I'm really glad we jumped on this
Body
one.
Works haul.
So one of the things that we're doing differently on the channel now is instead of as many subscription boxes, we're trying to do sales that we're buying stuff that we want to use and sharing the sales and the opportunities with you guys too. So I'll leave a link for Bath and Body Works below, but you can just Google it. Check out the sale. It's probably been on your Facebook scroll every time you go online anyway. But this was a good one. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it, and we'll enjoy all these wonderful smells. But for now, from Beth and Krista, have a great rest of your day.
Bye.